The players begin by creating a name, class, and background for their character. The players are standing in a clearing in the forest. They are surrounded by trees and mountains. The sun is setting and the sky is ablaze with colour. The players have been on a long journey and they are finally nearing their destination. They have come to a clearing in the forest and they are faced with a choice. They can either continue on their journey or they can turn back.
I think we should keep going. We're so close now.
I don't know. It's getting dark, and I'm not sure if we should be out here alone.
I agree with player 1. We've come this far. We should just keep going.
The players argue for a few more minutes, but eventually they decide to keep going. They continue on their journey, and soon they reach the edge of the forest. They see a vast plain before them, and in the distance they can see a mountain range.
That must be it. That's where we're going.
Are you sure? It looks so far away.
It's definitely the place we're looking for. I can feel it.
The players set off across the plain, and they walk for hours. The sun has completely set now, and the sky is dark. The players are tired, but they are determined to reach their destination. Finally, they reach the mountain range. They climb up the mountains, and eventually they reach the top. They are standing on a plateau, and in the distance they can see a city.
We made it. We're here.
I can't believe it. We actually did it.
This is amazing. I can't wait to explore.
The players are now faced with a choice. They can either explore the city, or they can turn back and go home. The outcome of either decision is indeterminate. If they explore the city, they may find adventure, danger, or even treasure. If they turn back and go home, they may miss out on a great adventure, but they will also be safe. The players must decide what is most important to them. Do they want to explore the unknown and risk danger, or do they want to play it safe and go home? The decision is up to them. To progress forward, the players must first roll a 20-sided dice. The outcome will bias their dexterity and willingness to move forward. Next, the players must fully commit to their choice in order to fully progress forward. After making their decision, the players must face a boss. They may choose the attributes the boss possesses. After their successful boss battle, the players are rewarded with a treasure based on the values from the fight. The apps shown in this video were created using an open-source AI tool named Web App Factory that allows anyone to create simple apps through text-based prompts. As AI progresses, it opens up new and unexplored avenues for creativity. The example explored in this video is just an example of one use for Web App Factory. Web App Factory is simply one of the many AI tools being developed every day. The tools that are created today will be obsoleted tomorrow, but also provide the foundation for those tools. Enjoy them in the moment for what they are. Explore new ways to be creative.